This is a 2015 Nissan Leaf, and today we're going to change the rear windshield wiper on the car. Obviously, this is a first generation Leaf, but the same process also works on newer generation Leafs, and actually, for that matter, on other Nissans too. They use a similar adapter set. So here is our back windshield wiper, which you can see is pretty worse for the wear. The good news is it is pretty easy to take off. Just have to have the right windshield wiper to do it, which I have a great example here. I actually popped into the store and I grabbed this first one. Looked fine, it was the right size, and I didn't realize it has a J hook on the back. So do be sure that you're getting the exact right spec, which in our case is this 55-100 Trico rear. Any windshield wiper will do. This was just the one that was available. Comes with some adapter sets, so we'll just have to be sure we set it up right for our use case. So for our use case, we're going to pull the windshield wiper up, and then we're going to poke it out. It's going to feel a little resistance, but keep pushing. It's actually meant to do that. And that just pops right off of it. So you can see there's a little notch right here. So we essentially just shimmied it right all the way up and out of it. So with this in hand, and actually using our comparison to our different module options we have on our new windshield wiper, we are going to size up so you can see the different notch sizes on all these different makes and models and types. So we are going to just compare and contrast to make sure we're finding the right module, depending on your windshield wiper. This one's too small there. Depending on your windshield wiper, there might be some different installation instructions, but this one looks like our ticket. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on our new windshield, and we'll be, oh, sorry. I'll put this one on our new windshield wiper and we'll be ready to go. All right, we are ready to rock and roll. So taking our new windshield wiper, we're gonna just do that same step in reverse, positing this up, pushing the notch in this little hook. Actually, here, let me bring this in here. It's kind of hard to shoot this. So we're pushing it up, and you can see there's a little lip right in there, and that's what we're shooting to get the notch to connect into. Okay, I've worked out an alternative option. If it's really giving you a lot of grief, which this one really is for some reason, you can always put the adapter on before you connect it to the windshield wiper. I don't know why this one's being so difficult, but there we go. When you have this on, give it a good healthy wiggle. Just really be sure as the windshield wiper is going to be moving around a lot, having a lot of action, that it is good and secure. But otherwise, we are ready to go, especially as we head into springtime and we're about to get a lot of rain. But that's it for today. Feel free to like and subscribe, comment with any other how-to tips, and just to answer the question, yes, I will be doing it on our Nissan Rogue as well in a separate video for the rear windshield wiper. But thanks so much, guys. Catch you in the next video.